Hi, it's Darnell with Recipes. And today I'm going to be making quinoa in the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and steam fryer. We'll see how it makes up some quinoa right now. So let's go over the ingredients for this cook. I've got 1 tablespoon of butter, 1.5 cups of water, and 1 cup of quinoa. And so this is basically just following Ninja's instructions except for the butter. So this won't be like a printed recipe because I'm not really doing much of anything special to it other than adding a tablespoon of butter. And so you can get this out of the book that the books that come with the cooker if you get the cooker yourself. This won't be, like I said, one that I will be posting as a recipe myself because this is basically theirs without much of any changes. But I'm getting the quinoa poured on into the cooker there. Sorry about that banging. Dropping in the butter. I'm not going to like stir the butter up or anything. The butter, as it melts and things warm up and all, it'll distribute itself fairly evenly on its own. I'm pouring in the water. And so it does look like the water and the quinoa aren't very well blended though. So I am going to just move things around just to get the quinoa and the water kind of moved around just a little. Don't have any like dry patches or anything of that sort, even though that shouldn't happen. I'm going to close on up, turn the cooker on. And let's make sure you can see things well. Switch it on over to the pressure cook. Going to keep it at high pressure. Going to lower the cooking time down to just 2 minutes. So 2 minutes, going to give it a natural release of 10 minutes. Well, delayed release of 10 minutes. Almost hit that. Don't want to hit on off. But hit start. I'm going to go ahead and let things cook. I'll bring you on back when the cook is done. Okay, so the cook just finished. The release was very uneventful. It was just a very light, I guess, steaming of release coming out of there. Nothing really heavy and strong, not like a volcano at all. So I've opened things up, well, unlocked things. Now opening up, let me make sure I'm not hitting my cabinets. So there we go. That's our finished quinoa. It looks like things absorb water very well and fully, so just going to get some out and put it on in my bowl here. That looks pretty good. Didn't take a whole lot of time either. So let's go ahead and do a taste test. So thank God for this quinoa. And I will say that on the stovetop, it takes, you basically bring it to a boil and let it simmer for maybe 15 minutes. In this, in the pressure cooker, not much difference in time, but we'll see if the taste is any different, if maybe the pressure making it absorb that water in makes things more flavorful or better in any other way. So let's see. Make sure I don't burn my mouth. Okay. So quinoa tastes decent. Everything turned out pretty well. I'll say it's basically on par with the stovetop. There's nothing to be gained by doing quinoa in the pressure cooker. With oatmeal, I found definitely oatmeal is way better in the pressure cooker than a stovetop. With amaranth, it can go either way, but amaranth is going to cook faster in the pressure cooker than on a stovetop. So it's better, in my opinion, to use the pressure cooker for amaranth just for the speed. But with quinoa, it doesn't matter either way. You may as well use the stovetop if that's your choice. So just wanted to show you that there and talk to you about some of the different things that you can go stovetop versus pressure cooker and my preferences and why and such. But it's all up to you in the end. And so in the video description, lots of ways to help the channel. There's nothing in this video sponsored, so there's like merch, memberships, a referral link to the Amazon shop. You can get this cooker, same price, help the channel. So lots of good stuff there. Also, you can always check out my blog, superwayovenrecipes.com. Lots of other recipes and such for this cooker and others. And so with all of that said, if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, or other type of notification icon if it's something different on the platform you're viewing. But right now I'm on YouTube, Rumble, BitChute, so that's where you probably should be seeing this unless it's on through my blog or something. But anyway, with all of that done, good eating.